Hello everyone, welcome back to another watercolor discussion. Today I would like to talk about a very important topic in watercolor painting, perspective. Perspective is one of those things that can completely change a painting. Even if we use beautiful colors and perfect brushstrokes, a painting may still look flat if the perspective is not right. On the other hand, even a simple painting can look realistic and interesting when perspective is used well. So what is perspective? In simple word, perspective is the way we show depth and distance on a flat piece of paper. It helps us create the feeling that some objects are close to us while others are far away. Think about a road stretching into the distance. The road may be wide near us, but it appears narrow as it goes far away. The road is not actually becoming smaller, but our eyes see it that way. Perspective helps us draw and paint this effect. When we paint a landscape, perspective is everywhere. Mountains in the distance look lighter and softer. Trees far away appear smaller. People walking in the distance look tiny compared to people standing near us. One important type of perspective in watercolor is called linear perspective. This simply means that objects appear smaller as they move farther away. If you are painting a village path, a railway track, a road, or a row of houses, perspective helps guide the viewer eyes through the painting. Another important type of is atmospheric perspective. This is something watercolor artists use all the time. When we look at distant mountains, they often appear lighter, cooler, and less detailed. Nearby objects have stronger colors, darker values, and more detail. This is one of the beautiful things about watercolor. We can easily create atmospheric perspective by using softer washes and light colors in the background. A few simple brushstrokes can make a mountain feel miles away. Imagine painting a mountain scene. The mountain closest to us may have dark shadows, strong colors, and clear details. The mountain behind it may be lighter. The far mountain may be soft blue-gray shape with almost no details. This creates depth and make the painting feel alive. Perspective is not only about drawing, it is also about understanding values, colors, and edges. Dark values usually come forward, light values usually move back, warm colors often appear closer, cool colors often appear far away. Sharp edges attract attention, soft edges create distance. When we understand these simple ideas, our painting becomes much more meaningful. Many beginners try to paint every tree, every rock, and every mountain with the same amount of detail. But nature does not work that way. Our eyes naturally focus on nearby objects. Distant objects become softer and simpler. As artists, we should learn to simplify distant areas and save our strong details for the focal point. Perspective also teaches an important lesson about patience. When we first start painting, we often focus on colors and technique. We want to create beautiful effect quickly, but perspective reminds us to slow down and observe carefully. Before placing a brushstroke, ask yourself, is this object near or far? Should it be darker or lighter? Should the edge be sharp or soft? Should I add details here or leave it simple? This small question can make a huge difference. One thing I love about watercolor is that perspective can be created with very little effort. Sometimes a soft wash in the background and a few dark shapes in the foreground are enough to create depth. You do not need hundreds of details. You do not need complicated techniques. You simply need observation and practice. The good news is that perspective is a skill that anyone can learn. The more you observe nature, the more you will understand it. Look at roads, rivers, mountains, trees, buildings, and people. Notice how they change as they move far away. Carry a sketchbook if possible. Make quick sketches. Study the size, shape, color, and values of objects at different distance. Every painting becomes a lesson. Every sketch improves your understanding. Every practice session makes your perspective stronger. As watercolor artists, we should not be afraid of making mistakes. Some of my best learning experience came from paintings that did not work. Each mistake taught me something about distance, value, and composition. Remember, perspective is not just a technical rule. It is a tool that helps us tell a story. It helps us guide the viewer through a landscape, along a path, across a river, or toward a distant mountain. It creates a sense of journey. It creates atmosphere. It creates emotion. And that is what great art is all about. So, the next time you paint, spend a few extra moments observing perspective, notice the size of object, the strength of colors, and the softness of distant shapes. With regular practice, perspective will become natural and your painting will gain more depth, realism, and impact. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep observing, and most important, keep enjoying your watercolor journey. If you have any question, please feel free to leave them in comments. Happy painting!